Okay, I'm back. So this is we're getting this ready to, we're gonna set the swing on here. That's at the right height right now. And then Benny's getting the chains and everything all ready here. And then once we have that, we'll be able to spread it out and get it adjusted. So I've got everything all prepared right here, and then Benny's gonna do the ladder work. And so we're pretty much ready. I've got our cable clamps right here, and we'll be doing that in a few minutes. I just wanted to get an in process. This is how the swing looks. They have these standoffs here, so the chains actually kind of come out as a Y, a little bit. So anyway, I don't have my tripod, so we're just gonna do these little updates here. Okay, I'm back. Don't tighten that up yet. I want it real tight. I'm gonna pass this. I want it up tighter to the thing. I'll see how I've been wrapping that around. I don't want that.
One side and one the other side.
Anyway, just keep them loose so I can feed that through. I'll show you.
Okay.
And then if you can get those other two over here on this one,
okay, then
I'll show you. Because what we'll do is use that C clip, the screw on, and then we'll adjust the height to that. Oh, so I don't want it hanging down real low. I want it up tighter to the beam.
Something like this?
Yeah. Okay. So one more loop probably.
All right. I'm going to try to loose.
Okay, and then here's the swing. So that's all ready to go. I'm gonna clean the tags off of this, and then we've got the height of the swing adjusted over here. I think it's going to be 22 inches. And then we'll be setting it on here, do a rough adjustment, and we should be done here pretty quick. So I'll be back. Okay, so we're getting this gradually adjusted. So, here's your other one right here.
Okay.
Okay, so let me get the level here. We can take the
I'm gonna remove the leather and wait. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. I'm okay. I'm gonna pull it.
there.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So is that level?
Well, it's not level and it looks high.
Yeah, it might be high.
It has to be lower that side or higher.
We're gonna probably let me just see how this is to sit it with we need to go probably 2 or 3 inches lower. Huh? Okay. Which would be what, 1, 2, maybe 2 segments. We'll try.
All right. Lower. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2,
Okay, so I'm going to be back in a second, and we're going to hopefully have this all leveled and everything. So, while Benny does that, I'm going to go get a cushion for this. Okay, we got it done. It's all level. You can see right there. So now that we've got it up, Grandma can go locate a pad for